You no longer live life by chance, but you live life by choice. Hindi ka na magmamakaawa sa mga tao around you because you'll always have a choice. May balak si Lord sa akin, go lang ako dyan. Importante, hindi ko husgan isang bagay na sa tingin kong pangit, na alam ko naman ikagaganda yan in the future. Therefore, hindi ko hihindian yung opportunity. Hindi ako attach sa gusto ko, pero attach ako kung anong nakaplano para sa akin. You now move from conscious mind to subconscious, na ang dami mong programming na kailangan mo i-release araw-araw. Which is you're breaking up to who you are not. You're releasing it every day. Last night, did you have a good sleep because of the release? So what if you release something every day? Manotice mo yung triggers mo, mabawasan na. Yung dating kinaiinisan mo, nagagalit ka parang, I wonder, ba't ako naiinis ito? Ba't ako natatawa ka na lang? Because your triggers are yours. You just have to release it. So this is my go-to. But the moment lumampas ka ng 40th minute all the way to 1 hour, that's where the most beautiful part of it. Fully charged. So I want you to notice your day-to-day. You're kinder. You're more compassionate. Tapos kung may tatawag man sa yung bad news, parang okay, masasolve din yan. Relax lang. A lot of you are looking for clarity. Hindi ka nakakapag-isip because you never take time out. Valid. Anyone else? Ganyan? Ang tagal naman ito. Ano nangyari? Baka may lamok, baka may ipis, baka yung grasshopper, nandiyan naman. The key here is, this is really a practice of being indestructible. Indestructible? Ano yan? Hindi ka ma-distract.
Indestructible?
Ha?
Undistracted.
Undistracted. Right? Na sa totoo lang, ipaplano mo yung isip mo may sariling pag-iisip. Klaro ba? And it's so impossible for you to say, clear your mind. It's like you telling your heart, stop beating. Your mind will always have a life of its own. Yung narinig yung tinatawag na monkey mind, patalon-talon kung saan. Angkihan, hayaan mo. Saan tayo nagkakaproblema? Meron kang naisip, may nakita ka, nainis ka, inisip mo, hindi mo na pinakawalan. Always remember physical pain comes from a mental pain. May nakita ka, hindi mo gusto, then it becomes an emotional pain, and then you kept it in your body, then it becomes now a physical pain. So the key here is, I don't remember getting sick. Seriously, nung COVID, wala, zero. I only have 3 to 4 hours average sleep a day. You notice my energy last night, hanggang gabi from the morning. Before you came in, I have 2 classes pa. Nag-swimming pa kami. Right? Wala akong siesta hanggang gabi. Anong oras pati nagkulitan kagabi? Leo. And then I'm up already 3. Naunahan na ako ni Darbs dito. Klaro ba yun? Grabing benefit. But then again, are you willing to be fully committed to you? This is the highest form of self-love. When you love someone, how do you make sure that you build this relationship with them? What are the means and ways? To really deeply connect with them. Spend time. That's the only thing. Quality and quantity of time. That 1 hour do you think was quality? Oh, nag-iisa ka lang wala kang kausap. Hindi ka Quantity, 1 hour. All for me. Ito yung tinatawag natin na you live your life by intention, not by chance. A lot of us are feeling victimized by life. Life happens to us and we cannot do anything around it. This one, you make your life happen for you. Bakit? Intentionally, nag-rest ka kagabi. Sino dito naranasan nyo na, napuyat kayo, tapos may kailangan kayong gawing the following day, and you feel shitty around it. Oh, ba't kayo nagpupuyat? Wala pa akong nakitang sa pagpupuyat, gumanda ang buhay ko. Umasenso kami lahat. Wala, lahat na nagpupuyat, talagang shitty yung buhay. Ba't mo ginagawa? Scrolling, Netflix, YouTube, walang kwenta. It's habit, it's familiarity. Again, this is a great reset for your life. That you no longer live life by chance, but you live life by choice. Maganda ba yun? Na hindi ka na magmamakaawa sa mga tao around you because you'll always have a choice. Hindi ka na matakot, hindi tumanggap ng project kahit hindi mo gusto kasi you always have a choice. Ang daming benefit but the price to pay, sleep on time, wake up early, spend time with yourself. Ito namang hinihingi nyo kahapon, di ba? Ito ng solusyon. Ang tanong, gagawin nyo ba? And what if you start your day making this as your priority, not your phone? Kasi diba, pagkagising natin, sino pagkagising phone ka agad inaatupag? Yung totoo lang. Pagdating nyo na, nakalimutan mo na yung sarili mo. Ultimi pag-CCR, mamadaliin. Pagkain, mamadaliin. But tomorrow, let's do 4. Ibang effect ng 4. The most beautiful time to do this is between 3:20 to 4:20 because the world is so in sync. Magugulat ka, lahat ng kilos mo parang pasok sa banga lahat. It's not even the number of hours you sleep eh. Sino dito, no, napuyat ka, tapos nagising ka ng let's say alas 7, tinulog mo balik, tapos nagising ka ng alauna, pagkagising mo, ano pakiramdam? Wasak pa rin. So hindi sa number of hours of sleep, it's really yung away ng conscious ng subconscious. Dapat ganito. Ito nangyayari. It's really that fight and it's really keeping us so tired in life. And I like what you did. Hayaan mo lang, mauubos yan. Yun yung key. Kasi kaya tayo hirap sa buhay because gusto natin kontrolin yung mga bagay na di natin makontrol. Ilang percent ka may control sa buhay? External. Sa bashers, ilang percent ka may control? 0. O, ba't ka nagagalit? Ba't ka nagsasama loob? Ba't ka na-stress anxiety? Hayaan mo sila. So this is really a practice of number 1. Suspend judgment. Which is may naisip ka di maganda, okay, hayaan mo na. Right? Kasi pag naging non-judgmental ka, naging non-resistant ka. Ano yung non-resistant? Hindi ka umaayaw sa buhay. The resistance here, imagine, no, merong waterfall, malakas, pababa. Lumalangoy ka papuntang waterfall. Masaya or stressful? You're swimming against the tide. That's resistance. But it's coming from you judging your thoughts. When you're non-resistant, you now move to the next, which is what we call non-attachment. Kasi 0 ka namang control sa sa outcome. And yet we're so attached to it. Then yung sabi mo masarap, that's the 4th level, which is surrender. Parang okay, may balak si Lord sa akin, go lang ako dyan. Importante, hindi ko huhusgan isang bagay na sa tingin kong pangit, na alam ko naman ikagaganda yan in the future. Therefore, hindi ko hihindian yung opportunity. Hindi ako attached sa gusto ko, pero attached ako kung ano nakaplano para sa akin. Surrender. So have you surrendered your puppies that they're all good now? Yeah. That's it. Kasi dyan ka lang dyan, wala ka naman magawa, di ba? Just like the storm. Life will always be like that. The question here is, are you able to rise above the storm? May nabalitaan na ba kayo na lahat ng pagkatapos ng storm, mas lalong gumanda yung nangyari or devastated forever? It's always getting better. Cleansing process. Releasing process. But are you willing to let go? We call that productive. Not busy. Busy kasi paikot-ikot ka. Wala namang nangyayari. Ito productive. Ang daming mangyayari. Okay. I want you to notice your entire day right now. Aware na aware ka sa nangyayari. At the same time, para kang full charge hanggang mamayang gabi. Okay ba yan? And that is something that I want you to start thinking na okay, na-experience ko to, hindi ko papakawalan to. Blessed kayo mga bata while you experience this kasi kami parang hirap na itong ipasok sa system namin. I have a 20-year-old na siya ngayon, no? Kahapon may meeting na siya sa office niyo. Apo. Nakita ko na I have interns na ngayon nasa 31 na. Yung success niya, narating niya mga... Pag sabing success, hindi mo na paproblemahin yung pera kasi laging dumadaloy na lang. Yun yung measure nila, no? He did it in 6 years, no? After that, 4 years. Si Migs. Si Jed, 2 years. Ano pinagkaiba? Ito, walang meditation. Ito yung active meditation. Si Jed, ito yung walang ginagawa. The beautiful part about this practice is, repeat after me, do nothing, have everything. Okay ba yan? Anong do nothing? Wala kang ginagawa. Nag-aantay ka lang ng support sa may kapal. And then the moment you open your eyes, today you're so guided, you're so inspired. I like it that you recognize that your sleep was great because you released a lot. And releasing, by the way, is day to day. So your 1 hour, nire-release mo yung kung sinong hindi ikaw. I'm gonna give you some tools later on how to release. Because just like nature, everything good will be attacked. Everything good will be attacked. Be ready. But the only way you can be overwhelmed around it is when you carry a lot of things. Sasabog ka na, hindi mo alam saan ka pupunta. So it's like taking a dump every day. Even I. In fact, before I sleep, I do my release work. Can I share you how?
Yes.
Okay, so before I sleep, no phone. I sit down, 5, 10, 20 minutes, close my eyes. And my first prayer here is, if you can repeat after me, may all beings,
May all beings,
visible or invisible,
visible or invisible,
whom I might have hurt,
whom I might hurt,
I'm asking forgiveness.
I'm asking for you.
Kasi hindi mo alam kung meron ka ba nasaktan or hindi. Right? May all beings, visible, invisible, who might have hurt me, I'm offering forgiveness. Yeah. Just like you, may bashers din ako. Malay mo, nasaktan ko sila sa aking content. Di naman lahat natutuwa sa content ko eh. Clear? So, I'm clearing that out. But last night, you did a lot of release work. Continue doing that. Up until ubos na, then you continue moving forward. Is that what you want? So, nag-21 ka na, ito gawin mong 365. Pwede?
Yeah.
Yeah. Because the familiarity of life is fear, doubt, and worry. This is the highest form for me of faith work. Okay lang ba to call something in the Bible? Ang instruction niya, be still, know that I'm God. Parang, anak, relax ka lang. Ako bahala sa'yo. Kaya tayong trouble, nangingialam ka eh. Nagiging Diyos ka ng buhay mo. Because when you have this faith work, you move in hope. Ano yung hope? Kahit hindi pa parating, alam mong parating, kilos lang, friend. Distraction free. But I guess the last word here is love, wherein you put love in everything that you do. Love everyone around you. And that's where abundance comes in. That's the best. Pag surrender ka na, that's where He starts working through you, not by you. Hindi na ako nag-goal setting odds. Kasi pag nag-goal setting ka, kukontrolin mo. Di ba? Kailangan itong sales ko, kailangan ito. Pag di mo nakuha, frustrated ka. Intention setting. And the intention I have in my life right now is just fully surrender to His plan, not to my business plan. Kasi let's be real, lahat naman ng business plan mo, hindi naman nasusunod eh. Good space. Thank you. Yay. Ito yung aabot ng time na tanggalin lahat meron ka, okay ka pa rin. Ask me why.
Why?
You know who you are. Would you like to know who you are? You are a beautiful creation of God. Yun lang yun, bragging rights mo. Therefore, no need to worry.